Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a startup with AngelList, beginner guide step by step clearly. To build a startup with AngelList, start by creating an account on the platform. Visit the AngelList website and click on the sign up button. Fill in your details to create a founder account. Once registered, complete your profile with relevant information about your startup idea. Describe your vision clearly and concisely, focusing on the problem you are solving. Next, choose the appropriate category for your startup to help investors find you easily. Prepare an engaging pitch that highlights your unique value proposition. Include information on your target market and competitive landscape. Upload a professional logo that represents your brand identity. Now, create a detailed business plan and financial projections. Outline your revenue model and potential growth strategies. Once your profile is complete, start networking with potential investors. Search for investors who have previously funded startups in your niche. Send personalized messages to them, expressing your interest in collaborating. Consider utilizing AngelList's syndicates feature for additional funding options. Engage with the community by participating in discussions and providing insights. Monitor your startup's performance metrics regularly if you've raised funds. Adjust your strategies based on feedback from your network and market trends. Stay proactive in reaching out to new investors as you progress. These steps will effectively guide you in leveraging AngelList to build your startup. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.